This is gonna be fun. Schwarzkopf are not playing. 7 seconds express repair treatment. If I genuinely believe that 5 minutes is not enough for my hair to be treated, what makes this 7 seconds so special? I bet everyone else is wondering. And wonder no more. Let me just get you into what this product is about. It did not make any claim of any kind. I like how they roll. You know, if anything goes wrong, you can't come back and say you claim this, you claim that. Nothing on the bottle to go by. On the English, how to use or what the product is about, it's just said for straw dull hair. That's it. 7 seconds hair repair. That's it. Nothing else. So you go there, you wash your hair, you apply it mid-length. That is not going to apply to me. And rinse it off. That's it. I have found this product a perfect co-washing product. Hear me out. So it's got the males, you know, to apply 20 mils, 40 mil marks on similar product that I researched. The 20 mil or even 40 mil is not going to apply to me because I'm heavy-handed. Plus, I'm going to coat my hair when I feel like my hair have received all the products needed. So sack that. So there is nothing to go by based on this bottle. This is my third time using this product, and you know, if you've been following me for a while, you know if I'm using it and I'm loving it, I'm gonna share it with you guys. I'm bringing you guys this product today because it is an excellent, great co-washing product. 7 seconds. What could possibly go wrong? I mean, this product costed £3.99 in my local home bag. I just picked it up, not by recommendation, not by anything, purely because I'm a product junkie. Now, for those of you who are like, what is in my product? You know, let's have a look. There you have it. I know there is good alcohol and there is bad alcohol, but alcohol was mentioned in this product so many times. I swear to you guys, my hair is probably drunk. Will be drunk by the time I'm done with this product. I'm not going to pronounce those ingredients because I have no intention of cutting my tongue today. But if you are really conscious and genuinely alcohol to dry your hair out, look away now, all right? For the rest of us that don't want to spend a fortune on a product that so-called claim to be all natural, keep on watching to see what this have got to offer, all right? Okay. This is my third time using this. I don't know if I've said that before. So I've used this twice before. Today is my third time. So I find this excellent product to use during midweek co-washing. Normally, I use the Avocado balsamo. Just wash my hair with it. Lather, you know, saturate my hair with it and rinse it off. This is only the effect only lasts whilst in shower, help to detangle stuff like that. Nothing else to it. So if I'm gonna do a midweek co-washing using the Avocado balsamo conditioner, and now this is saying 7 seconds, whatever it has to offer, you can just see why I have to jump on this bandwagon. Apply this on during my co-washing, 7 seconds, rinse it out. I mean, hello, it's no brainer, is it? So for any of you who live around me thinking I'm going to pop to home bag near me, I wouldn't waste my time if I were you guys. Honestly, don't bother. I clear the shelf. I use it once, use it second time around. Before I was due to use it third time, which is this video I'm making, I have already went to my local home bag and cleared the shelf. So £3.99. Like I said, from home bag, £3.99. That is how much this product costs. That means I'm getting what is left in there right now is just enough for one use. So that means just over £1 per use. That is excellent, guys. That is a bargain for what it has to offer. You're not gonna know what it has to offer until you stick around and watch this video through. All right. Oh, hello. So for the purpose of this video, I co-wash my hair and cover it with this t-shirt just so I can show you guys how I apply it. Normally the 2 occasions I've used this product. I do my co-wash in the shower, whack this on, and rinse it off in the shower, and job is a good one. For the purpose of this video, I need to show you guys how I apply it. I'm hoping my hair will still be damp. It should still be, because it wasn't that long ago. Ooh, that feels good already.
Let me show you how I ball. I used to be a rebellious and I never fall. I'm back for help for this paper now.
The bottle has got a nozzle for easy application, but I'm just gonna pour a bit out to show you guys what the consistency is like. It's like a mix of oil and water mixed together. This gets really messy applying it in out of the shower. Twice I've done this, I did not experience product dripping in my hair, in my skin, because obviously I was in the shower, just matter of choo, easy in and out. So it look more messy than it actually is, so bear with it.
My witness, cause I'm a paper stacker. I make money every day, every night, like computer hackers. Now you can see me anywhere, anytime, like a partner backer. MRCW, money rule the world, money rule the world. MRCW.
I work this product into my hair as much as I can. I notice the more I work it in, the softer hair was become. As it first come in contact with my hair, it was really stiff. Hair felt stiff, but the more I massage it in, the softer hair become, and it have this foam kind of thing coming out of it.
All about Benjamin, hey, hey, hey. Money makes the work go out to put you where you wanna be. Me go with the high class, dine with the president and fly him on the first class. Oh yeah, yes, the money is the key that don't need to read the.
So I went in straight on. There's nothing to wait. It's 7 seconds, right? I rinsed the product off my hair. My hair is feeling silk, smooth. You guys probably not gonna believe me. My hair is feeling as smooth as if I've applied some cassia treatment in my hair. Unbelievable. I cannot believe it. Just calmed the fuck out of my hair. Like, unbelievable.
MRCW, money rule the world, money rule the world. MRCW, money rule the world, money rule the world. MRCW, money rule the world, money rule the world. MRCW, money rule the world, money rule the world. MRCW, money rule the world. I say money. MRCW, money rule the world, money rule the world. MRCW, money rule the world, money rule the world. MRCW, money rule the world, money rule the world.
Hair felt soft but strong at the same time. These two things doesn't usually go hand in hand there. So I used the last one on that bottle, so definitely got 3 use out of it. So I apply my detangler along with leave-in. There's hardly much to detangle. I detangle because I am about to air dry for the sake of keeping my hair straight. So there was no knot in my hair. So I detangle and proceed to air dry. is completely air dried. I've not moisturized. I'm gonna do that later on in the day. I've got to go. My hair, I can barely hold my head up in one hand. The thickness my hair felt was similar to when I did my cassia treatment. Schwarzkopf, never mind.